Let's see the latest technical analysis of Nikola Corporation.
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HD. Let's see what's going on. You can see right here this kind of pattern in this chart. We're going to talk about it a little bit later. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer. Thank you for subscribing, guys. We're near 1,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot. We love you. And let's go with the latest news. First of all, breaking news of Nikola Corporation. Very interesting. We have this jump today. Maybe this could be related to it. They are talking about 42 Class 8 Nikola hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles being produced in 2023. And apparently, the company said this morning that they wholesaled 35 of those Class 8 during this year, and the remaining ones are being used in different an extended field test, and also for continued validation, engineering, and also for service training and customer demonstrations. This is very interesting information. What do you know about these guys? Let us know below in the comments. If you have more information, please share it with us so we can start that debate from there and learn one from others. And let's go with the technical side.
Yeah, we have this channel. Yeah, that we've been having this for a while. From October 2023, and right now we are at the bottom of it. But this is interesting. Because there is a rebound right here. Apparently, it was going to 0.67. And it didn't. It just rebounded from the middle line. Of the channel.
It's very interesting to notice that. I didn't see that at first sight because we had these descending channels. We could say like the top area has been reached during this last period like two times, one here and the other one right here, like almost perfectly. And then we have on the downside, we have also two bounces from here. And the last one was with these last lows of 0.65 more or less. And from there, the price skyrocketed to almost $1. Very interesting to notice that movement. We can talk about it a little bit later with a more intraday chart. And right now, we're, as you mentioned, bouncing from the middle of this descending channel. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think the price will reach the higher part and go lower from there? Do you think it will have that breakout? Do you think it will go lower from here? Let us know below your opinions.
Let's take a look at the volume profile, because this is very interesting. We've been trading, this one, it has been trading for a while, around this area. And right now we are just a little bit below of the point of control that right now is at 0.999. So obviously, if you take into consideration this technical analysis indicator, it should go up, to the point of control, which is normally where it should be trading.
Exactly, that's where the most volume is traded, or like the most orders according to this indicator. So what do you think about it? Do you agree with this indicator, or do you use a different one or have a different perspective? Let us know, because we also have this type of patterns right here. Let's talk about them. We have, first of all, during this start of this descending channel, we are talking about September 2023 more or less. We have this kind of double top right here with that arrow. We had the breakout at this exact level. Let me draw it. We could say like it broke from here, but also the other one, the more conservative, could be like this horizontal line right here. So we have both of them working almost perfectly. Like we had this breakout right here with the consecutive retest from there, like almost a perfect entry right there in order to close your positions or to sell right there if you can. And also right here we have this retest and this area, being reached almost like three more times. Very interesting, that pattern seemed to work perfectly. Maybe this is pure luck, but sometimes technical analysis works like that. Let us know below if you think it works or it is just like something that sometimes happens and sometimes doesn't. And also, what do we have right here, Alvaro? Let me draw it so you can comment it very fast.
Yeah, we have here another triangle that has been broken, and it's almost a little bit below, because normally you have this line. Let me draw that. We have this percentage that is minus 21%, and we take that, and it went a little bit further. Normally it should go until that area. In this case, it's 0.74, but it went even lower at 0.77. So that's something that you don't expect, and it's very difficult to assess, because the technical patterns normally they are completed in that way, but you cannot expect the second one, the second downturn right here.
Yeah, also we had after that bounce from that level a little bit farther from the technical pattern. It could be maybe a different one. We could be talking about this as a kind of triple top, and then the breakout would have happened here. So then we have like the end of the pattern right there. And in this case, it would be almost perfect. In technical analysis, you have a lot of it's more like an art, I would like to say. So we can also say like this perfect retest right here, with that trend line right there. It is also
Double reaches. I mean, that's super
yeah,
incredible because we're talking about a retest of more than 40% to reach that area.
yeah, exactly. And this could be like that's why I love technical analysis, because it has a lot of perspective. This could be like the double, the triple bot, the triple top, sorry. Then we have that kind of triangle. Then it could also be the descending channel. It could also be like the previous support level being broken, and then it becomes a resistance. You can have more explanations to this. That's why I love when you share in the comments area all your knowledge about technical analysis, because we can have multiple opinions and we can all be right, if you have that mindset behind it.
Yeah, also take into account, that we are in a bearish trend, and this is very clear. You can clear the channel is going down, and the thing here is like you can be bullish at the bottom area of the channel, and you can be bearish at the top area of the channel, according to this pattern. So obviously these three cycles that we have right here, I mean, these two retests are very bearish, like a retest that it touches that area and then it goes down. It's indicating that that there is a lot of bearish pressure right there, and the third one, very interesting, which is the resistance, the main resistance level of this channel. It reached that area, and again another bearish trend. So obviously we are still we are not in the zone, in the sense that we are not still in the bullish side, because look at that. I mean, there are some indicators. The 0.7067 is indicating that that's an area to buy. The second one, I don't have it that clear. I mean, the 0.74 it's just the middle of it, but it's not indicated like a super area to buy, and that's my opinion, of course.
Yeah, exactly. You can share that with us, all your opinions, guys. That's why we always like to mention that. And it's a very interesting situation, because we have right here, as Alvaro mentioned, this bearish pressure. We can obviously see that with those wicks in the 1 hour, in the 4 hour chart, or the 1 hour chart. And then also we have this bullish pressure at this level, at the lower part that you also mentioned, at 0.65 more or less. So very interesting. We are just at the middle of it today. Upside potential, sorry, upside movement of more than 8% currently. Let's see how the day end. What do you think, guys? Let us know below in the comments everything you want, and we can in the next videos talk about all your kind of predictions and see who guessed it, or who was in a more who was more related to the real situation of this market.
We are no fortune tellers, but we tell you exactly what's happening in the past of the stock, the past performance and the actual present, but we don't tell you what to do. This is your job and this is your money. You have to take care of it.
Exactly. We can like state our opinion, but that's just for us, and to share it like something entertaining, or in order to communicate it, so we have more information. What do you think about it? Do you agree? Don't you? And why? We want to state that the importance in trading is to have that clear trading strategy, that clear mindset. That's why we want to create some new content about trading psychology, technical patterns, etc., all related, so you can like improve your trading style, but not depending on someone, just by learning from the experience and applying everything that you can in order to become profitable, or to improve your trading style.
Tutorials are coming into our channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
Thanks a lot. Remember to subscribe. If you are already trading, it's still welcome. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Take care.